I think it brings everybody together, local businesses, to really, work towards that one common goal.
It's there to help. Within the bid you can ask for, especially if you're a levy payer. Like for instance, you can ask for footfall figures, and that's quite important even to a business like Esquire's itself.
You're slowly improving the high street to draw more people in.
I think 2018-19 has been a fascinating year for the bid. If we look at what we've done in terms of our business plan, you look at the events.
Christmas Tree Wonderland last year was a huge success, and I think that we're really going to build on that this year.
There are nearly 1 million visitors from the moment that CTW was actually launched.
So around the town centre it's a trail, people can go to different areas.
It's such a unique event to Bournemouth.
The Rangers, what can I say really, they are an integral part now of how the town looks and feels and deals with some of the more challenging issues that all towns and cities in the UK face. But one of our great additions this year has been the increasing of our Clean and Green team. And from the feedback that we get from our levy payers, I know that both the Rangers and the Clean and Green team are highly respected and highly valued.
So the gift card, I think, is going to be a real game changer.
We're encouraging people to come into the town centre to actually support their high street.
It's amazing that you've got kind of local independent businesses next to the multinationals.
Obviously we know the high street's changing massively, and what the bid are doing at the moment and continuing to do is, once the people are here, trying to keep them in the high street.
Have to become more of a voice for business, and I can see the bid over the next 12 months to 2 years taking on more of a lobbying role on behalf of our levy payers, and we have to focus day in and day out on remaining relevant to the levy payers and addressing their needs and their concerns.
Our business liaison officer, Lucinda, has been with us just over 3 months and is making great strides in connecting with all of the levy payers and helping us to understand what challenges they face and what we can actually really do to help.
Increasing on footfall in terms of the whole town as well again.
People using Old Christchurch Road, people using Horseshoe Common.
It's really great that we already see stuff coming up on this side, especially with the old place opening, so we've seen a bit of increase there.
So 2018-19 has been a really challenging but fascinating and I think very successful year for the Bournemouth Town Centre bid, and I still love doing it.